All right, in this video we're going to be having a proper look at niche research. One of the things you can do is come over here to JVZoo and head on over to the Find Products section. And that'll bring you roughly about here. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is hit the launch date link just here, because that will then take you to the most up-to-date products that are out there. Otherwise it'll take you all the way back to 2014 when they first started. Anyhow, all you need to do is go down here and have a look at the various things that you can look at. For example, you could use copywriting. If you're a copywriter and you know lots about copywriting, you could do copywriting as a niche. Now you could also look at maybe social media as a form of traffic or something along those lines. You could be talking about creating online courses, hair removal if you're into that, and go back down, get past you got affiliate marketing, and there's a whole bunch of different things you can choose from. Instagram marketing, that's another one you could look at. There's a whole bunch here that you could look at to decide on the type of niches you can do. And if you want to go a bit deeper, you can go here to page 2 and see what else is on offer. Just wait for this to wake up. There we are. And you can go a bit further down and have a look at the other things that are on offer. And you can say, okay, video suite, Insta keyword basics. I think that they might well be apps of some kind. But you can go down and have a look, and video suite, there's another one. That's an app. Blogging. You could perhaps look at doing a blogger. Yeah, like doing a niche on blogging, or viral article publishing, or affiliate marketing. Another place you can go is to Clickbank. But before we do, would you be kind enough to maybe give us a like and perhaps subscribe, as well as maybe click the bell icon? And if you could maybe share the video with your friends, and also if you could leave a comment, and if you could answer this one little question for us, that'd be awesome. Where do you go to do your niche research? Okay, let's move to the next place, Clickbank. Now Clickbank is awesome because not only does it have broad niches just here on the left hand side in the marketplace section, you also have over here sub niches. If you go over here, you'll see it says affiliate marketing, that's a sub niche. Article marketing is another sub niche. Blog marketing, classified advertising, copywriting. Again, there's copywriting one more time. And then you got email marketing. Then you got market research, niche marketing. And you got video marketing. There's a whole bunch of these. And not only that, you've got other areas as well that you might be interested in doing. Let's say, for example, you're into food and cooking. You can have a look at maybe the various things within here that you could possibly create as well in reference to this, and get some really good ideas. Now another thing you can do is go over to one of my favorite of all sites, and it's called InDigitalWorks. Now InDigitalWorks is a PLR store, and they boast over 12,000 PLR and master resale rights, as well as resale right products. And the best part about it is they have got it in about probably in so many different niches. For example, in this one, podcasting, you could do something on that. You could like choose to lead, which is to do with self-help and teaching people how to become leaders in their industry. Stress, talking about stress and stress relief and stress management. Another one, there's quite a bit on stress actually. Whoever did these must have all been stressed at the time, and they were looking at ways in how to de-stress. Boost your online sales, the real law of attraction, and law of attraction is another one. How to become a successful social media influencer. Okay, so that's about social media. That's another one you could look at. And you can have a look through here and have a really good look. Traffic is another massive one you could look at. Now, traffic is really good because you can also go down one more level with that. You could do something like Facebook traffic or maybe Instagram traffic or something along those lines. Now you can also go over here to Amazon. Now Amazon is awesome. Now what I've typed in here earlier was non-fiction business, and you can have a look at the various things that they have here. Now they have got lots and lots of different things you can check out, the different types of niches they have, and yeah, you can basically just choose what you want. Now another one place I love to go to is Udemy. Now I'll just scroll up to the top here. The best part about Udemy is, let's say for example, I'm just going to go back to the other page where I was originally. Now when you're here, I've already taken a couple of courses on animation in reference to PowerPoint, because I'm planning on creating a product around this. Now I was looking at this and they have a lot of niches in here that you can choose from. Now let's go back up to the top and let's go for, say for example, business, and click on that. And you can have a look at the various courses they have available in reference to businesses. You've got financial analysis, you got from boot camp. Okay, so you got these various things down here. Now if you look down here, you'll have various options here as well. And yeah, you got lots and lots of different options you can choose from. So you can learn about Excel if you want to, and various other things. Now another place you can also go to is perhaps one of my favorite places to do my niche research is YouTube. If you click on here, as you can see, I've got different digital niches. I've typed that in to find out, and then you can just go here, best niches for SMMA, which I can't recall what that means, but then you got how to pick a niche for YouTube, find a niche, how to find a niche for affiliate marketing, niche market examples, and you can just go through here. Now you could also perhaps maybe click on this one here and choose a video from there. I'm going to now just quickly click on this one. Oops, my computer's running a bit slow for some reason. Ah yes, it is. Wait for one moment. It's going over to where it was, where it's meant to be. Anyhow, I'm not going to play the video. I'm just going to pause it. You get the gist. You can come here and you can do your niche research from here. This guy's going to be talking about 5 different strategies for niche researchers for dummies, or to dominate social media. Sorry. So this is about niche research for social media. Okay. If you have found this video helpful and you would like to perhaps support us, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, as well as press that bell icon. And if you could leave a comment and tell us what niches, what's the best places you can go to find your niche. All right, thanks for watching, and bye for now.